I own a small business, and it wasn't built overnight. It was built on ordinary days like this one. So come spend the day with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. I'm a full-time reseller, and today is just a quiet work from home day. I have a lot of things that I want to get done because recently I've been reading this book a lot and everything else has kind of fallen behind a little bit. I've been keeping up a bit, but not as much as I would like to. So today I want it to be a reset day. So the house is a little bit messy, so I need to get some cleaning done. I want to get my listings done. I went to the bins yesterday and I got some really cool things from the bins, so I want to list a lot of that today. And then I need to pull a few items that sold recently. So I made a pretty good sale last night. My uncle ended up gifting me a few suit jackets. He owns a tailoring shop in Washington, D.C. and just gifted these suit jackets to me. One of them sold last night for $200, which was amazing. And then yesterday, a Loro Piana cashmere coat sold. So that one needs to go through eBay authentication or something. So I really want to get that out today. So follow me along and I hope you guys enjoy. The kitchen's disgusting, so let's clean it up. Reading break before I go and do my listings. Really quick, just one chapter. Okay, time to get some listings done. I have some items that I got from the bins yesterday. So some of the items I got were I opened up a bag and there was a bunch of new with tag kids, little girls items. And I don't normally pick up kids clothes, but I looked at some of these and they were kind of higher end brands. Some of them were sold at Bloomingdale's, like this one, the New Society. And they're just these little shorts. This was a mini Bowden, which is by Bowden. And this was a new with tag little girl's dress. So I thought that was really cute. Never heard of this brand. It's called Molo. Again, new with tag. It's just these little velour bell bottoms. This one wasn't new with tag, but we're gonna try it. It's called Pink Chicken New York, 10 years. So that was cute. So we're gonna try those little dresses. And then I also found a bunch of vintage lingerie, which I really love to sell. So I found this little, I thought that was so cute. Open back. It's in great condition. And then these were so cute. Oh my gosh. This is Dolores for Puriette. And again, it has the union tag. So the union tag, and then this is, but look at the, that is so adorable. It is missing one of these. I looked in the bins to try to find it because they're removable. So I think it just fell off, but those are adorable. Oh my gosh. This one has the high thigh going on, which is really cool. This one I think is more like shapewear, vintage shapewear. And then I found the Gold Label Victoria's Secret. This is just polyester. Their silk items definitely do better, but I mean, this doesn't weigh a lot for the bins, and I feel this kind of corset, little lacy thing. I feel these do really well. So those are some of the items that I got from the bins yesterday. I got more things, but those are the things that excited me or maybe are a little different than things that I normally pick up. So let's get some listings done. I'm hoping I can do over 10 today. So let's do it. Okay, I filled up my rack more with items. I just have some hangers that are empty, so I do need to go sourcing because, you know, I'm running out of inventory. And then I have this pile is the things that we just photographed, so I need to put this down in inventory. Okay, now I'm going to sit here and upload my photos to the nifty web browser, and it will generate my listings for Poshmark, eBay, and Depop. So it shouldn't take me too long, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I just got done posting everything using Nifty, so everything is live, and I ordered DoorDash for my husband and I before I started listing everything, and it should be here any minute. I am starving. I haven't eaten today. I think I'm getting a little bit of a headache because of it, so hopefully after I eat, I feel a little bit better. Yeah, happy everything is listed. I also noticed that everything that I posted today was like very bread and butter. So everything was like between $25 to like $50, something like that. There wasn't anything that was like a crazy find or, you know, it was all just kind of regular items. So yeah, we'll see how they do. It came. Honey grow. Gotta get that extra avocado. Another reading break. Okay, I put the book down. I officially put the book down. I need to pull some orders. Okay, so the Loro Piana, this is the Loro Piana cashmere coat that's sold. And then this Lululemon hoodie sold on eBay. So that's exciting. And then one of these blazer jackets sold. It's going to take me a second to grab that. Okay, I'm in my inventory room, which is just my garage, and I am just going to pull a few more orders. Okay, this Bowden dress sold on eBay, so that was really exciting. And then I had an LL Bean hat sell. Oh, right here. It just sold for $15 on Poshmark. LL Bean has been selling a lot lately. Like, it is wild. I've probably shipped out like 7 LL Bean packages in the last week. For the first time ever, I'm shipping out more eBay orders than Poshmark. But I just did a ton of shipping, like, was it 2 days ago? I shipped out like almost 50 packages, and it was by far, the majority was Poshmark orders. So this is just 2 days worth of shipping. So I have 4 eBay orders and 3 Poshmark, 0 Depop. So I don't think this is going to be a regular thing where I'm going to have more eBay orders, but I mean, I hope one day, but... Okay, everything's packed up. Yay! Okay, I left my house. There's like all this traffic and a helicopter. I don't know what's going on. So I just literally turned right around and came home because I'm not dealing with that. And the post office closes in 20 minutes. So we're going to read the book again. Oh, I guess I'll get up and clean it up. I need to clean more. Then I'll feel good about the day. No more reading. ended up getting 2 boxes done of inventory, ready to go down. Yay!